One of the problems these Civics have is the paint sort of goes a bit funky. Same on the other side. Now to get them off, you pop open the cap with a screwdriver, and you might find that it could be tricky getting them off the stud. So a bit of penetrating oil, let it soak for a bit. I think it's a size 17 nut. And what I found helpful is if you give it a little wiggle around, wrestle it a little bit and try and pull up, you might find it helpful or handy to use this. No, not you. No, go get it. To use this. That's right. And while you're pulling up, to give it a good smacking and persuade it. So the next step will be to sand. Oh, you might notice, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, there's a little bit of masking tape to remind me where the position is. Now I've already sanded this one down. That's the next one. We'll spray it black and then reinstall. Oh, and while I remember, probably a good idea to give it a bit of a clean and maybe put some anti-seize so that the nut isn't a nightmare. I'd use a breaker bar on the other side to free it up. Because you'll need to get the wipers off if you want to get this plastic trim off. Right, can you see that little tab there? Press that down, pull it towards you, and off it comes. That'll save you about 10 bob at the car fitting place. And to put a new one on, simply line up like that and push forwards. There it is.